Good afternoon, friends. Let's proceed further now. And in this particular script, for the simulation, you would see that I would be adding three different names. For my simulation, and let's check it out as to how it is going to work for us. So here I have the I have kept it so that I can explain, and then side by side I can go ahead and proceed further. Now first and foremost, as usual, I've already installed the package called as simmer, which is simulation, to create the simulations in R, and that is I have invoked it through library simmer. Now after that, you will see that I need to create a template for the trajectory. It is mandatory in any simulation. So here, in the customer, that is the data frame, I have four things in fact. First one is the trajectory. The name that I have given to it is the path of the customers at GIP Mall, Sector 18, Noida. Log would be I am here at the mall near the Archie's Gallery, so that we are able to understand. Timeout 1 for the first customer will be the first time, and that's why I've written it out here. The timeout of 1 is the placeholder to be overwritten later on. So first, second, 3. So it will go in that manner. And in the last log, I have said that it's a timeout for me and I need to leave immediately. So my entry, where I'm standing and at what time I'm going to say that yes, it's a timeout time for me and I need to leave the mall immediately. Now after this is just for the customer. However, we are three friends. So how am I going to create? So three friends. So I'll be creating 3 copies of the template. So how it would be? It would be Ramani Swarna. It's a data frame, and customer Niharika is the data frame again created. Pooja Arora, who is my third friend, and I'm keeping her as the third customer. So there are 3. So let's run each one of them to check it out whether this is right or not. Now if you look, in this case the question might arise if I give a gap between Pooja Arora, like first name and second name. It's an error already you have got, so I cannot use this one. So it has to be just one word, and then you will see that the error would be eradicated. So let me just run it again so that there's no problem. Now modify the timeout of each copy. What does this mean? This means that I need to change the timings as to when they are coming, when they are going. So the timeout trajectory for Ramani Swarna, if she is entering at 5th hour, 10 minutes she will be leaving. Niharika comes 7 minutes, she will be wait, and then she will leave again. Pooja Arora comes at 20th hour, 20th minute. So these are the time that we are talking about, and then we proceed further. So Ramani Swarna, I have taken care. Niharika, yes, and Pooja Arora also has been done. Now we have to check what modifications have been given with respect to the time. So how would you do it? Do you need to write a separate code for that? No, you will simply call out the data frame. So for Ramani Swarna, in the results out pane, you can see trajectory, the path of the customers at GIP Mall, Sector 18, Noida. 3 activities. What are they? Log in, message, I am here, so and so, level 0. Activity, timeout, that is after 10 minutes for the first customer, and last one, when she is trying to go away, it would be it's time for me to leave the mall immediately at the 0 part. Now if I run similarly for Niharika, you can see it is again the same thing. However, the changes are, for the first one it is after 10 minutes, for the second person it is after 7 minutes. Now this is how you need to understand the way we are talking about the server waiting time and how the customers are coming in and going. So for Pooja Arora, you can see the time has come out to be as 20 minutes. Can you see out here? Delay is for 20 minutes. So because we are checking out with the waiting time, so this is how it would be taken care. Now coming to the mall customer, we have understood. What about their activity in the mall? So we will run the mall data frame, and now you can see once I run for the first one, you can see it gives out the complete thing. Niharika Khan, is the 0. I'm here at the mall near the Archie's Gallery. After 5 minutes, Ramni Swarna arrives. She says, I'm here at the mall near the Archie's Gallery. Ninth minute, Niharika says, it's time out for me and I need to leave immediately. 12th time, Pooja Arora says, I'm here at the mall near the Archie's Gallery. 15th minute, that means can you see the times that are changing over here? Ramni Swarna says, it's time out for me. I need to leave immediately. 32nd time, Pooja says, I have waited enough and I need to leave immediately. So you can see that yes, Ramni Swarna, Niharika Khan, Pooja Arora, how they are being monitored and how the things have been generated. Now let's look at their monitoring arrivals also as to how it would be. So this is the final output that you have got, that you can go ahead and you can check it. Niharika Khan is the name, start time 2, end time is 9, activity time is 7, finished is true, replication is 1. Ramni Swarna, it is 5, end time is 15, activity time is 10, finished is true, replication 1. Pooja, 12, 32, 20, and it is again true. So this is how you need to understand and go ahead with the simulation that we are talking about 3 customers visiting the mall GIP number 1, then their waiting time and how the servers are looking at it. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Let me come up with yet another one simulation which you can see with more input into it. Thank you and take care. Bye.